I'm planning to upload job opening related videos weekly, 2 or 3 videos. Hopefully, these job related videos are definitely helpful who are seeking for fresher job roles as well as experienced job roles. Whatever job related videos I'm going to upload, so those jobs are who are posted in the last 24 hours time. And one more great news is you can directly share your profile to the official mail ID only. So along with your resume, you can share your respective details like your total IT experience or relevant IT experience, current CTC, expected CTC, and a notice period. So in this video, I am going to share some job openings for experienced and freshers as well. For experienced professionals, the job openings such as like testing related jobs, there are huge testing jobs are there like SFDC testing, mainframe testing, Salesforce testing, manual testing, automation testing. Also I'm going to share some Java developer related jobs and site code developer jobs and Magento developer related jobs. Okay, so you can check all official email IDs are in the video description. Okay, and you can happily share your profiles to their official mail IDs. So without wasting your time, let me explain one by one all job openings. So here are some job openings I have already written here. So job one is manual and automation testing professionals required. And the company is Wipro. Okay, so Wipro hiring the manual testing professionals as well as automation testing professionals. And the experience is required for manual testing engineer, 4+ years of experience. Okay, so if anyone interested, drop your file. If anyone interested, drop your profile to this mail ID. This is the official mail ID. Okay, anyhow, I am going to share this official mail ID in the video description. You can directly share your profiles to this mail ID. Okay, so now let's talk about the same company only hiring automation testing professionals. Okay, location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. Experience is required 4 to 7 years of experience, and mandatory skills are Java, Selenium, API testing. Java, Selenium, API testing, and notice period is immediate to 30 days preferable. Okay, you can share your profiles. If anyone matched this job requirement, then you can share your profile to this official mail. Okay, so these job openings for Wipro company. Okay, and the second job is this job is for freshers candidate. Okay, so DPI and D company is looking for who are trained freshers and experienced persons also in VLSI. VLSI like a PD, STA, PV. So this job opening for Bangalore and Hyderabad location. Okay. If anyone completed your training in VLSI for freshers as well experienced person, you can happily share your profile. This is official mail ID. Okay. Anyhow, I will share this official mail in the video description. You can share your profiles who are having experience or freshers as well in VLSI technologies. Okay. And the third job is Java developer. Okay, must have 4+ years of experience. Okay, and this job opening for company is Concentrix. Concentrix company. Okay, it is one of the best company. Okay, so they are looking for 4+ years of experience candidate. Okay, who have strong experience in microservices using Java. Okay, like strong hands-on experience in building microservices using Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, Cloud Foundry, AWS, Docker, okay, and database experience like MongoDB, REST API. Okay, you must be strong in core Java like collections, threads, regular expressions, concurrency, Lambda, reactive, exception handling. Okay, okay, and you should good knowledge on CI/CD practices. Okay, good knowledge on coding standards, design patterns, unit testing. Okay, so anyhow, so the official mail ID is this one. Okay, I will share this official mail ID in the video description. So if anyone match this profile, you can share your profiles to this mail ID. So along with your profile, you have to share these details as well: total experience, CTC, expected CTC, notice period. Okay. And the next one is Power BI developer, and this job opening for Mindtree company. Mindtree company is hiring Power BI developer. Candidate should have at least 3 years of infra experience, strong experience in Power BI with 1 to 2 years of experience on
SSIS, integration service, report service, and SSAS, analytical service, and SQL server. Okay, basic understanding of Microsoft Azure. Okay, so actually these job openings were 24 by 7 shift model. So you must be ready on any time, like day shift or night shift or weekends also you must be ready. Okay, experience is 3 to 7 years of experience candidates are required. Mandatory skills are SSRS, SSIS, SSES. Okay, this is the official mail ID. You have to share your profile. Okay, and next one is automation testing engineer. And all these job openings were which company is hiring? Cognite. Cognite is hiring all these companies. Performance testing, 2 to 11 years of experience candidate. Location is pan India. Okay, you can apply for anywhere in India. And mainframe testing, 2 to 6 years of experience candidate. And the location is also pan India. And SFD testing, that means the sales for testing. Okay, 3 to 6 years of experience candidate. Location pan India. API automation testing, 3 to 9 years. Location is pan India. And another automation testing Selenium with C Sharp. C Sharp is must, not Java. Okay. Experience is 3 to 6 years experience, and location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. Mobile testing, 4 to 8 years of experience. Location is Pan India. And Oracle CC and B testing, 3 to 15 years of experience candidates required, and location is Pan India. So all the job openings are who are hiring Congruent company, and the official merit is this one. Okay, I will share this official merit in the video description. Okay, and next one is Selenium with C Sharp, and this job opening is hiring which company? CZA. Okay, company is CZA. Experience is 2 to 4 years of experience candidate. Location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Pune. Notice period is immediate. Okay, you have to share your profile this mail ID. Okay, and next one is QA manual. Okay, and the company is Observe. Company is Observe. Okay, so they are looking for 2 to 5 years of experience candidate, and location is work from office Kochi, Kerala location. Okay, so they also given some JD as well, like this is for manual testing only. Okay, software testing, main concepts and process, whole bug life cycle, different testing levels, methods. Okay, and good knowledge on API testing using Postman, good knowledge on Salesforce testing, experience in defect tracking tool Jira. Okay, good knowledge on automation testing using Selenium Java. Okay, so education qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA. Okay, so these are the official mail IDs. Okay, I will share these official mail IDs. So if anyone interested from Kerala or Chennai location, those people can happily attend. Those people can happily apply for this job. Okay. And next one is a Magento Developer. So this job opening for one of the product-based client. Okay. Experience is required, 3 to 8 years experience. And one more good news is this job opening for permanent work from home position. Location is permanent work from home. And notice period is 0 to 15 days. And this company is expecting, this company asking from the candidate PF for all companies, and Form 16 bank statement, pay slips are mandatory. Okay, so this is the official mail ID. Okay, so anyhow, I will share this official mail ID in the video description. You can share your profile if anyone looking for Magento job positions. And next one is site code developer. And next one is site code developer. This site code job opening for Capgemini. Okay, so Capgemini is one of the best MNC company in India. Okay, so the skills are like site code developer certification version, and 5 plus years of experience is required. Experience is five to Experience is required, 5 to 7 years of experience. Work location Bangalore. Okay, so the primary skills are like minimum 3 plus years of site core hands-on development experience required, and proficient in site core experience platform, and web UI technologies like JavaScript, Angular, React, anyone. Okay, and also you must have relevant experience on .NET framework technologies like ASP.NET, C Sharp, etc., and experience with Git and Jira. Okay, and site core, MVC, unit testing, and debugging skills is required.
So that's all guys, man. I hope this job opening related videos definitely helpful to you. If you really like this video, don't forget hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.